Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for Wealth Trade Asia. Today I'm going to focus regarding on the market trend for gold. Yeah, as you can see, we recently have the UOM sentiment, yeah, which is from the University of Michigan, and we saw that actually the actual one, yeah, was 55.1, which was better than the forecasted one, which was about 52.5. Yeah, this actually shows that how important, yeah, this data is, because this will actually ensures that us to know what would be the trend, yeah, since it was a high impacted news last Friday. Yeah, so we are looking forward to see what would be the trend. Yeah, recently what happens is that it has actually crossed the resistance point of 1800. Yeah, so we are seeing that that the gold price would be bullish basically. Yeah, generally as we are looking forward, yeah, the price that we have forecasted for Friday, yeah, for the last week, yeah, basically was between 1784 to 1800. Yeah, however on Friday it closed at 1803. Yeah, so we are seeing that there is a resistance of gold actually going above the 1800 actually. Yeah, but however it did surpass 1800, which actually supported the bullish trend. Yeah, so what are the factors that that is going to enable us to know what would be the trend today? Yeah, as we could see that our Fed, which is the Federal Reserve System, they are increasing their interest rate. Yeah, they are increasing their interest rate, which is they want to make it as 50 basis point instead of 75 basis point. Yeah, and they are looking forward to it before the meeting. Yeah, in September. Yeah, so we are seeing that likely some of these moves will actually try to strengthen US dollar. However, not to overlook related to the CPI, related to the PPI, as well as the PCE as well. Yeah. So as we can see that many of it, almost a three of it has actually gone down. Yeah. The PCE, the CPI, and also the PPI has totally gone down. It's totally low. Yeah. And we can see that that in this day, that the gold is actually facing resistance. Yeah, so for today I'm going to actually give you some of the factors that will actually support our trend today. Yeah, so let's look at the market, yeah, related to crude oil, yeah, related to US crude oil. As the recent news that we know, basically that America is trying to be one of the biggest exporter of oil across the world, and it has a demand from Asia basically. Yeah, so we are actually seeing it that this is the main thing that they are trying to do in order to strengthen the US dollar. Yeah, and they are even giving discount recently, which is about $5 per barrel. Yeah, compared to UK crude oil, UK Brent oil, which is about $7 per barrel. Yeah, and other than that, the one of the reasons why it's doing this is because the Saudis, the Saudis and the Russia, they are becoming allies. Yeah, the reason why they are actually becoming allies, it is because that they want to have more control over energy prices and also over the food prices as well. Yeah, so we can see from here that there are several countries which are not quite okay with America actually. Yeah, so this is actually causing the economy of America to actually weaken over time. Yeah, even though they are trying their best, their level best in order to strengthen their US dollar, but in the long run it will ensure that the gold will actually be bullish. Yeah, that means the trend that we will be having would be bullish basically. So since it's actually increasing, its production of oil, recently, because it wants to be one of the biggest importer, biggest exporter, of oil basically. So what happens is that it is actually having the main reserves, and they're trying to actually clear up all the reserves by October. Yeah, so we are seeing that that the strategic petroleum reserve actually, they are actually trying to actually conquer the market. Yeah, since the oil market is one of the most important market, in the economy. Yeah, so this will ensure that America has a more control and thus if let's say the oil price goes up, yeah, and gold will actually goes up as well, yeah, and US dollar will come down. Yeah, why did I say this is because there would be more competitions, yeah, as you know that the Russia and China, all of them are actually, you know, they are all as well as the Saudis, yeah, the Saudi Arabia, they are actually all getting together in order to actually you know, to weaken US government, yeah. So we actually have another news as well, which actually says that, you know, the Fed is trying their best in order to hike, yeah, the interest rate, yeah, up to 3.5% as well, yeah. However, this is not going to happen in a very shorter time, yeah. This we will only know this during September basically, yeah. But however, they have a goal in order to actually make their interest rate at 2%, yeah. So we are looking towards it, yeah. And other than that, recently there's a US-China tension as well over Taiwan, yeah. So as we know that Beijing is one of the world's biggest commodity user of gold, yeah. So this is actually negatively affecting the gold prices as well, yeah. However, US is trying their level best, yeah, in order to actually strengthen the US dollar basically. So moreover, as we can see that US basically, yeah, US is actually many of their investors are actually forecasting, yeah, for a long term actually, yeah, and they are actually looking towards the inflation report, yeah. As we know, currently the inflation expectations actually stand at 2.8%, yeah. So any reading above 3% will actually help US dollar to be strengthened, yeah. While any readings which is 2.8% or lower will actually print weight, yeah, on the gold basically, yeah. So likely, as looking forward, as we are seeing that the stock prices has also dropped down, yeah. So we can see that the inflation rate in US is very high, yeah. The PPI, the CPI, the PCE is all totally low, yeah. So based on the fundamental analysis, yeah, we have actually forecasted that gold will still be bullish, yeah. Even though actually the US is trying their level best in order to actually strengthen, yeah, the US dollar. However, they are facing resistance, yeah. They're facing resistance since the gold price is actually going up due to many factors, yeah. As currently there is a weaker demand in the US dollar as well, because most of the transactions currently related to the energy, yeah, is mostly actually not using US dollar, yeah, which will actually make a weaker demand for US dollar, yeah, in the long run, yeah. So we forecasted that actually the price would be between 1784 to 1800, yeah. This is where actually we are forecasting it, and as we know that yesterday that it actually closed at 1803, yeah. So based on all this information that we have forecasted it in that way, yeah. So I'll just show you, yeah, the current price as we can look at currently is just currently at 1793.64, yeah. So this is where actually that it's currently being at, yeah. We are saying that whether it will actually cross back the resistance point, yeah, which is at 1800, and we believe that it would actually cross the resistance point as well, since it actually has made the same outlook, yeah, last Friday, yeah. So that the trend for XAUUSD, it will be bullish, yeah. So that's the trend for today. For any further information, kindly contact me, Gurmeet, at 014-258-4067. I am looking forward to actually know more information. I am looking forward to actually share more information. Yeah, please kindly contact me. The sources are basically from investing.com as well as Forex Factory. Yeah, may you all have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.